Online love story. True love will always find its way. I met a guy online. His name was John. With time, we became really good friends. And soon, John became an integral part of my life. As time passed, I fell in love with him. But I never expressed my feelings. I was afraid. I was afraid that if I proposed, my heart would be broken. I was from a poor family. I didn't have the confidence. But one day, I decided to finally express my feelings. I called him to tell him how much I loved him. But John didn't pick up my calls. I tried reaching him through mails. But I didn't get any reply from him. I kept waiting. Days, months, years passed by. I kept waiting for his response. But for nothing. Eventually, I accepted the fact that I had no chance with him. My heart was broken. I cried myself to sleep every day while reading his old messages. After a few years, I went to the university. During all these years, I stayed away from guys. I couldn't stand another heartbreak. But soon I got interested in another boy. He was handsome. It was weird as I never even looked at other boys before. But there was something special about him. This time I didn't wait to express my feelings. Because the last time I waited, it didn't end well. So I approached him. But I was rejected instantly. I apologized to him. I'm sorry if I offended you by saying I like you. The guy was humble. He replied, "It's not your fault, it's just that I am already in love with someone." I said, "Oh, you are already taken. Who's the lucky girl? Is she from this university?" What the guy said next was about to change my life. He said, "I fell in love with a girl online 3 years ago. She was from here, but I could never express my feelings to her. But now, as an excuse to study, I have come here in search of her." It was a big coincidence. The guy I fell in love with online was 3 years ago. I said, "I have been through something similar. I also fell in love 3 years ago with a guy named John. He was from London. I guess online love never works out well." The guy stopped talking and stared at me for a few seconds. Then he took out his ID card and showed it to me. His name was John. I was waiting for him all along. What are the chances? I fell in love 2 times with the same guy. We embraced each other and burst into tears. I asked John, "Why did you cut me off? Why didn't you reply to my messages or call me back?" John said, "I met with a car accident and was in the hospital paralyzed for 2 years. I recovered a month ago. Everybody thought I would be dead soon. But I survived. I failed to express my feelings to you before. The thought of seeing you kept me alive. When I got better, came here to surprise you. You told me that you would come to this university. So I came here too." I hugged John. We cried on each other's shoulders. Our love won that day. True love will always find its way.